So in today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 easiest ways of earning passive income. Hi guys, I'm Eva, a mortgage professional talking all things finance. Now, as the short intro said before, we're talking about making money today. Everybody wants to make more money. I don't care who you are, your goal is to make more money. It's because money makes the world go around nowadays. So in this particular video, I want to concentrate on passive income sources. And if you're not quite sure what passive income actually means, it's basically where it requires next to zero input from yourself, apart from at the outset. But once you've done the initial work, you can then just watch the money rolling in. And the beauty of it is that there is no cap on the income that you can actually earn. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So as we're living in the digital age, it's going to come as no surprise to you that the majority of the things I'm about to discuss are going to be online based, because not only is it the easiest way to get going, but also a lot of the times the cheapest. Now make sure you watch right up until the end, as I'll share with you my quickest and easiest way to earn passive income instantly. So number 1 is dropshipping, and you've probably heard about it quite a lot recently. There's so many YouTube videos out there about it, explaining what it is, how it works, and how you can actually set it up. And honestly guys, it is easier than you think. If you're good at creative design, if you're good at thinking of what people might like, just pop that design onto a t-shirt, onto a mug, onto a water bottle, whatever it may be, and sell it. Now the beauty of dropshipping is that once you've created that initial design, you don't have to do anything else apart from publish it on your own website or on Etsy. Everything else, so the production, the shipping, is done for you, made to order, and it's honestly as easy as that. So you don't have to worry about running to the post office with your packages or anything like that. It is right there, done for you. So all you do is just earn money from it, and that way you can actually earn money while you're sleeping, because people can order stuff at any time. And as I say, you don't have to worry about fulfilling those orders, because that separate dropshipping company will do that for you. So there are a number of different ones that you can use. So the likes of your Shopify or Printify, places like that. Now some of them are actually opening up in the UK, which will naturally drop the shipping costs, but there are already companies here that are based in the UK that can also do that for you. So all you need to do is just Google it, watch a few YouTube videos, and actually start. Okay, so number 2 are digital products. Now no matter who you are, you can create and sell digital products. Now it does help if you've already got a large online audience, for example, because it'll be easy to market your products to that audience. So for example, I've got quite a large following on TikTok, and I have launched some digital products on my brand new website, which I'll link down below for you, such as my budgeting template that I use in all my YouTube videos, which has been extremely popular. So it honestly doesn't take a lot to create a digital product and then pop it on your website or on Etsy for people to buy. And once again, once you've created it, you then don't have to worry about it really, because it's there for people to purchase and download at any time of the day. So you're not actually physically involved in having to ship the product or even email the product over. It's all there, and there's so many systems out there nowadays where you can build your own website in hours, probably even less if you're a bit more technologically advanced than me, but you know what I mean. So yeah, it's honestly within reach for majority of us. All you need to do is, once again, just start. Now a lot of times when people discuss passive income, a lot of them mention investing in property. Now personally, I mean I do agree with investing in property, don't get me wrong. However, when you own a physical property, there are more things involved in it than people initially think about. You do have the ongoing maintenance of the property, and if anything goes wrong, your tenant will be on the phone to you straight away and you have to sort it. And trust me, things go wrong all the time when you own a house. As well as that, when it comes to investing in property, you do require quite a lot of money up front in order to be able to actually buy one. Whereas the way that I'm going to explain in a minute allows you to invest in property, but without that initial massive outlay. So if you are interested in investing in property but don't quite fancy purchasing a physical property, what you can do is invest in REITs, so real estate investment trusts. which normally work a bit like stocks and shares, where you buy shares in a particular company that invests majority of their money in properties. Before you do invest in REITs though, make sure you do a lot of extensive research because they are more complicated than your standard stocks and shares products. And I do highly recommend that you speak to an independent financial advisor before you invest in REITs, as they'll be able to tell you the best places to invest and the best products. So always do your research, kids. Now, number 4 will come as no surprise to you because people are banging on about it all the time recently, and I do already have a video about this, so make sure you check it out. But that's affiliate marketing. So once again, if you have quite a large following online, or even if you're just starting out like myself on YouTube, make sure you pop some affiliate links in your description because you never know who's going to click on them. It also works when, for example, you've bought a new dress and you're sharing it online with your friends and family, and people are like, oh my god, where did you get that from? Where did you get that from? Give them an affiliate link so that when they do purchase it, you actually get something back. Now, there are so many different programs, and as I say, I do already have a video about that, so do check it out, as that will give you a bit more information as to where you can actually go to start with affiliate marketing. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I personally haven't yet made any money from affiliate marketing because I feel like I'm not utilising it enough. I do have some links in the description box down below, but I'm yet to see any income from it. So it definitely takes time, and it does help if you're more of a salesperson, which I am not. So now let's talk about my final one, the one that I personally think is the easiest and the quickest way of earning passive income, and that's to use cashback sites. And if you followed my channel for a while, you'll know that this is probably one of my favourite topics aside from making money because it links to making money. And if you don't really understand what cashback is or how it works, check out this video as it'll tell you everything you need to know. But in short, it's basically earning money for spending money. So definitely check it out, it's definitely worth it. And if you use one of my links in the description box down below, you actually get a £5 bonus for signing up. So make sure you use my links, please. But with that being said, guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. If you did, please give a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel down below. As always, if you have any questions, please pop them in the comment section down below and I'll try and answer as many as I can. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys back on Monday with a brand new video. Bye, guys.